Welcome back everybody to a new video. So check it out. You might recognize this box. So the backstory, I purchased two 1962 Impalas from the same seller. And one of the reasons both cars caught my attention and I was like, hey, why not bring the sibling over together with it, you know? So they could be together all the time. Let's go ahead and unpack it. See here, if you have not seen the previous video of the 62, it's up. All right, here we go. Let's see what's in this one, because this one's a bit more of parts. So we have the chrome parts, very interesting parts. This part right here is one of the ones that catches my attention. Part of the front grille right there. That's nice. Yeah, very nice. I really like the look of the chrome. Here we have the convertible rack top right there. Let's set this down here. And a bag full of loose parts, which we're going to sort out in a bit. All right, here we go. They put it in a bag. All right. Ooh, look at that interior right there. Let's bring this out carefully. Let's make sure this thing's... Oh, I already see a wheel, a tire right here. Let's set that down. Oh, nice. The instructions are in the box as well. Ooh, water slide decals. Let's take a look at these right here. Very nice. All right, let's set those there. And then the instructions. Really like that they included all this right here. All right, I'll set the box over here. All right, so let's take a look at the car. Let me just fix that there. Now look at that interior. Let's rotate it. Another Scale Survivor right here. All right, let me tilt it so you see more of the interior right there. Look at that. Oh man, this is clean. All right, let's see what's under the hood. Oh, what? They even put material in there too. Never seen anything like this. So during transport, just from observing here, let me cover this up and flip this around. The wheel fell off, but I can still connect it. You can see the rod right there. We'll put that on a little later. Here's the bottom. There you see the screws. Cool stuff. The spotlights. Check out this front grille. Let's take a look at the rear. I'm really digging the taillights. Now I'm like, man, if I build a 62, I would really like to add those on there. Here, let me see if I can attach it real quick. If not, I might have to do it later. But I think I got it on. Oh, uh-oh. All right. So let this sit here. Yep, the wheels back and forth. It's really nice. I'm really digging this. It's a trip because right now when I put the wheel, you know, this finger was pressing on the center there. And it felt like the paint was still like kind of smudgy, like it wasn't even dry. So I had friends make jokes, you know, saying like, man, I painted this model 20 years ago and the tester's paint is still drying. You know, it reminded me of that. This one right here. Quite interesting. But hey, you know, it looks pretty clean. Like, you know, you can still tell it was painted with brush right here. Some areas it looks smooth, almost like if it was rattle can. But there's others where I'm assuming it was with the paintbrush, and even the all the silver trim, all the chrome. You know, it came out nice for that time. And I'm just trying to figure out what kind of material is this. It looks like some kind of maybe with the wire or something. You guys let me know in the comments what you guys think the material is. right there. Let's set this down. Let's see with the, we can set this here on the top. There we go. Here, let's change the angle. Probably a better close-up like that. Wow, look at that. We're going to reunite it with its other 1962 sibling. Boom, right there. Got a little car meet right here. There we go. We got the 2 Scale Survivors. We're going to bust these out right now, too. All right, so we got everything laid out. Let's change the angle here. And let's take a look. So, you know, you have some center hubcaps. Also, these grills, these 2 right here, it's what's piqued my attention right here, especially this one here. Pretty sure I'm going to end up using that in the future on a build right there. So happy I got this one, and it looks like there's another one over here, but it's a lot smaller right there as you compare the 2. And I was even tripping out the screws, the screw bottoms, you know. Damn, even these look clean. Right there. And, you know, everything else is just like the extra parts that were not used on it. Oh, is this a telephone? What? Oh, I got to use this on a future build, that's for sure. Like that little thing right there. That's cool. A lot of neat parts. You know, it's just all the extra little custom parts. I'm pretty sure it's not complete, but, you know, better getting something than nothing, you know. But I'm just happy of having these 2 in my possession now. Definitely going to be taking care of these, bringing them out to shows, showing them off. Not competing, guys, all right? They're not going to be for no type of entry like, bam, here you go. No, this is just to showcase and to share with everybody to see some of the models from back then. You know, I want to make noise with this, letting everybody know, you know, where we came from and where we are now with model building. So it's cool times right now building models. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one. All right, take care. Peace.